Hi, Nick with Zingtree here. This video will give you a quick overview of some of the key features Zingtree has to offer in our new authoring experience. Let's look at a sample call center script that we've created. Nodes are the building blocks of every tree. You can change how they are displayed using either a list view or the Zingtree Visual Designer. In Visual Designer, adding nodes and connections is as simple as clicking Add. With little pre-planning, you can quickly build out your tree's framework. In List View, you can quickly filter your nodes based on keyword searches. There are several different types of nodes your tree can be constructed of, but the most commonly used is the Content node. With a Content node, you can display text and media to your agents. On the basic menu, you'll see text formatting options like font size, bold, underline, and italic. Clicking the stacked dots icon, you'll see more advanced options like font and paragraph formatting. The advanced menu will also allow you to add links, images and videos, and create tables. Clicking the hash icon, you'll see a list of your predefined variables. Selecting any of them will add the variable to your text. We'll talk more about variables later in this video. Action buttons allow you to branch between nodes or into entirely new trees. These can be set as question and answers for your agents or as simple continue buttons to keep the flow moving. When you create new action buttons, you can link them to existing nodes or create entirely new nodes, all from the same dropdown. A red exclamation icon will appear on any node that is missing a connection. Need your agents to confirm they've completed a step in the process before continuing? Not a problem. Open the More menu at the bottom of the page and enter text into the Require a Confirmation click with the following text field. Now the agent must confirm they've read the call disclosure before they are able to select one of the 4 call options. With the autosave feature enabled, all the changes you make are saved in real time, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to save your work. If you prefer not to autosave, then simply toggle the switch off. You'll see a manual save button appear at the bottom of the screen going forward. The great thing is all of these features are set up from the same easy-to-use page. Zingtree utilizes variables to open a number of possibilities for you and your agents. With variables, you can collect and pass information, complete math operations, and display information in your tree. Data entry fields are one of the primary tools utilizing variables. These fields allow your agents to collect information from your customers. By assigning unique variable names to the collected information, you're able to use it in a variety of useful ways. For example, in this workflow, the agent is updating the beneficiary information for a caller using data entry fields. You can see all the unique datasets have their own variable names. This is going to help later when we send a follow-up email to the customer. By default, these fields appear at the bottom of the agent's screen, but with the data entry fields template code, you're able to customize where in your script they appear. Variables can also be used in your tree. In this node, the agent's name is generated in the script using the agent variable. Each agent that logs in and uses the script will see their own name. Variables are denoted in the tree by using a hashtag before and after the variable name. Variables also allow for two-way data transfer between Zingtree and your CRM. For more on integrating Zingtree with your CRM, visit the Integrations section of the Zingtree Help Center. The email node allows your agents to easily or automatically send emails directly from their Zingtree workflow. Utilizing data entry field variables, the customer email the agent collects on the first node of this tree is used as the send email to address by inputting the variable name email. The body of the email includes all the variable information for adding a new beneficiary collected during the session. You can combine email nodes with logic nodes for even more powerful processes. Logic nodes are the heart of Zingtree's decision engine. Utilizing simple and advanced logic, you take the heavy lifting off your agents by building automations into your workflows. Returning to our email example, a logic node has been set up to automatically trigger the customer email when the agent clicks the Yes box on the previous content node. The agent doesn't even interact with the email. In the workflow, they are taken directly to the final branch in the tree. Zingtree provides a number of useful reports that allow you to optimize your scripts and manage your team performance. To access these, open your tree and choose Information, Reports. Select one of the reports from the drop-down list in a date range. Let's take a look at the traffic map report for this tree. Here you can see which pathways in your tree are being used most. If you find that a particular path is followed more often, you may want to move it up in your agent's workflow so they don't have to go through less utilized steps in the process. Check out our Help Center for more tips and tricks on building, as well as inspirational content to help you plan before you build.